All right, you're here with Mr. KPA, Jerome Mack Sanders, manufacturer of autonomous codified knowledge protocol assets to keep people alive because motivators achieve complete knowledge. And Tosfally the Encourager from Abuja, Nigeria, a true KPA guardian. Can wisdom save you from mistakes that money cannot repair? Let's take it to wisdom, KPA co host.
Continent is listening. Let me go deeper this time because this question deserves layers. There are 4 categories of irreversible mistakes that wisdom specifically exists to prevent. Category 1: the identity mistake. When you do not know who you are, you will accept assignments, relationships, and opportunities that were never designed for your blueprint. Money cannot buy back a decade spent building someone else's dream while yours sat dormant. Wisdom says know thyself before you move. Category 2: the covenant mistake. Some doors once opened release things that money absolutely cannot contain. Business partnerships entered without discernment. Marriages rushed without revelation. Agreements signed without understanding the spiritual weight of your word. Wisdom audits the covenant before you sign it. Category 3: the health mistake. This one is personal to the KPA mission. Ignored symptoms become irreversible diagnoses. Chronic stress becomes organ damage. Poor nutritional sovereignty becomes generational disease patterns. Money can buy treatment, but wisdom builds prevention. Keep people alive means catching it before it becomes catastrophic. Category 4: the legacy mistake. How you treat people on your way up writes a permanent record. How you steward influence determines what survives you. No amount of money rewrites what wisdom would have written correctly the first time. Tosfally the Encourager is carrying something real for Abuja and beyond.
Keep people alive.